Good afternoon, Sheila.
Good afternoon.
Please introduce yourself.
I'm Sheila Malunang Halasan. I'm 29 years old. I'm married. I have 2 children, 6 and 4 ang age. I work in Shanghai, Philippines in 10 years.
So, what was your main duties in your employer's house?
A lot.
Like?
Gardening,
You know how to do
cooking,
gardening?
washing.
What else?
Anything that
Cooking. How many times do you cook in a day?
3 times a day.
3 times a day. So, how many members have you served?
4
How many adults?
2
2 adults and 2 children, ages 4 and 2. What do you do with the 2 children? Do you send them to school?
Yes, ma'am.
And then,
Every morning we take the bus.
why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
My family to support their needs and my children to studies.
Do you know how to operate some electrical appliances? Like
Washing.
washing machines?
Yes.
What else?
Ano to? Electric.
Like microwave oven?
Iron, microwave.
Do you have any allergies? Do you cook anything?
Filipino.
You eat anything? Can you promise not to break your contract in case you receive any emergencies of the Philippines?
If necessary, ma'am.
Can you promise to not to invite friends to your employer's house? Are you willing to obey all the instructions from your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Any message for your future and prospective employers?
Dear Sir Ma'am, if you touch me, I will give my... I will
Promise to be trustworthy, hardworking.
I will promise to hardworking, trustworthy, and follow your rules and regulations. If you choose me, thank you.
That's all, Sheila. Thank you. Good day.